guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video and for our first international trip of 2025, we are here in Taiwan. So, let the Vinex Ventures begin! We're here at NAIA Terminal 1 for our flight bound to Taipei. First thing we did was pay the travel tax of 1,620 pesos. Then we went to check-in counters, drop off our bags, and cleared immigration and security. Before immigration, make sure to register with eTravel. You can do this 3 days before your flight on their website or by downloading their app.
These are the documents I prepared for immigration. No questions asked.
After passing immigration, we went to the Bags Lounge. We used my credit card to get in, and we ate and get some work done before our flight. Once you arrive, don't forget to scan that QR code. Fill out the arrival card and have it ready for immigration. And there's a free Wi-Fi here so you can do it easily. After passing immigration, try your luck at Luckyland. You can register on this link 1 to 7 days before your arrival for a chance to win 5,000 NTD. We didn't get lucky, but it was still fun to try. For cash withdrawals, I used my GCash card. The conversion rate was definitely better than GoTime. Next up, we grab our Pocket Wi-Fi and EasyCard. We booked them both on Klook. You can use my Klook code AlexVinKlook for 5% discount. Next up, we're picking up the Taiwan Airport MRT ticket. Take the elevator to B2 and the EasyFly booth is near the train entrance. So we're riding a train going to Taipei main station. Express train. Wala ng seat, so standing lang kami. baggage namin sa hotel. 3 PM pa yung check-in. And anong oras na?
140.
1:40 pa lang. So, hahanap po namin ang kakainan. So, nandito tayo sa Ximending. Ximen. Okay. Pasok dito. Pupuntahan namin yung modern toilet. Yung kumakain sa toilet bowl. Saan ba? Ayun!
Tita. Tita pa yun.
Sa tabi ng tita. Ayun siya. Saan daan?
Ito, picture ako.
Saan daan? So yun na yung modern toilet. Alright. Mamaya na lang ulit. Ayan, sa pagpasok may toilet bowl agad. Ayan, may mini bathtub. Akita tayo. Dito tayo kakain. Hello, nandito na kami sa loob and dumating na yung order namin. Ang laki pala na, ang dami ng servings. Yeah, nasa toilet bowl talaga siya. So let's try na. Ano ba ito? Onion rings ata ito. Kaya naubusan namin yung meal namin and dumating na rin yung dessert, yung ice cream poop. Ayan, mukha talaga siyang tae. And kakatapos lang namin kumain and it's 3 PM na. Pwede na mag-check-in. Ito pala yung hotel namin. Ximen Citizen Hotel. Check-in. So, room 803. Sabi ni ating receptionist, in-upgrade daw niya. So, let's see. Yung CR. Parang di naman upgrade. Ganoon din nasa Agoda. May TV and may table. Good. Ano ba to? Oh, may bintana pala. Yan. Yun lang. Bye. Nabuko to sa Agoda. 1.3 per night ata siya. Kasi may discount nun. So, book na. Meron din palang wall and may rep. So, upgrade pala talaga. Akala ko lang yan. So, yun lang. Book na kayo dito. Ximen Citizen Hotel. Okay, we're still at day 1. After mag-check-in, balik na ulit. We're here now sa Ximending Walking Street. Mabili ng souvenirs. And Pop Mart. Number 1 souvenir. Dito tayo walang tao. So, dito naman tayo ngayon sa Rainbow Six. And doon tayo lumabas kanina. Shimen Gate 6, Exit 6. So, lakad-lakad lang ulit. So ngayon, since hapon naman na, punta kami sa Taipei 101 and see you there later. Bye! Hello guys, dito na tayo sa Taipei 101. Hindi siya makuha. So we're now walking sa Taipei 101 premises. Yan. Taipei at night. And balik tayo sa Ximending. Saan bisa kakay? Ayun ang Taipei 101.